Hi everyone, welcome to Learntechwise. I'm John and I've been working as an IT support engineer for the past 4 years. In that time, I've gained a solid understanding of the IT world, things like hardware, software, and networking. But here's the thing, when I started looking for a new job recently, what I realized I was being asked a lot of theoretical questions that I didn't fully understand. To be honest, my background is in BCom, which I studied without knowing why I was studying it. But now, having worked in the IT field, I know where my passion lies. I've decided to go back to the basics, relearn what I need, and continue growing in this field. And that's where you come in. Whether you're like me, someone working in IT but needing to fill in the gaps, or someone who just wants to stay up to date with the latest in technology, we're in this together. I am not just teaching, I am learning alongside you, step by step, from basics to advanced topics. So if you want to build your IT knowledge, or simply refresh what you already know, let's start this journey together. We'll learn, grow, and take on the world of technology one lesson at a time. Let's get started.
Let's dive into the first topic. What is information technology, IT? Information technology refers to the use of computers, storage, networking, and other physical devices, infrastructure, and processes to create, process, store, secure, and exchange all forms of electronic data. In simpler terms, IT is all about using technology, mainly computers, to manage information. It is used in businesses, schools, government, and homes. It supports everything from personal communication to massive financial transactions. Key elements of IT. IT consists of various elements, and here's an easy way to explain them. 1. Computers. Devices that process and store information. These include desktops, laptops, servers, and even smartphones. 2. Software. Programs and applications that run on computers and allow users to perform specific tasks. Examples include operating systems like Windows and Mac OS, productivity software like Microsoft Office, and internet browsers like Chrome or Firefox. 3. Networks. The systems that allow computers to communicate with each other. This includes the internet, local networks, LANs, and even Wi-Fi networks at home. 4. Data storage. IT involves the management of data, including where it is stored, hard drives, cloud storage, and how it is processed. The goal is to make sure data is safe, secure, and accessible when needed. Real-world applications of IT. In businesses, IT systems support business operations, including communication, emails, video calls, transaction processing, and decision-making. For example, a bank uses IT to manage customer accounts and process financial transactions securely. In healthcare, IT is used to store patient data, schedule appointments, and even diagnose illnesses. Electronic health records, EHRs, are one example of IT transforming healthcare. In education, schools use IT for teaching through digital classrooms, managing student information, and giving students access to online resources. In personal life, most people use IT daily through social media, streaming services, and smartphones. It connects people globally and provides access to an infinite amount of information. Importance of IT. IT drives innovation, improves efficiency, and opens new opportunities in every sector. It helps businesses operate more efficiently and enables people to work, learn, and communicate from anywhere in the world. History of information technology. IT has evolved rapidly over the past few decades. In the early days, computers were large and expensive machines used primarily for military or scientific purposes. As technology advanced, computers became smaller, more affordable, and more powerful. Key milestones. 1940s to 1950s. The invention of the first computers, ENIAC. 1960s to 1970s. Introduction of mainframe computers and the development of early programming languages. 1980s. The personal computer, PC, revolution. Microsoft, Apple. 1990s. The rise of the internet and networking technologies. 2000s. Growth of mobile devices, cloud computing, and social media. Present. It is a critical component of almost every industry difference between IT and computer science. While IT focuses on the technology and systems used to manage information, computer science is more about the theory behind how these technologies work. Computer science deals with designing algorithms, programming languages, and software development. IT, on the other hand, deals more with applying those technologies in the real world to solve problems. How IT affects our daily lives. Communication. From emails to instant messaging and video conferencing, IT has transformed the way we communicate. Entertainment. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify, video games, and social media platforms rely heavily on IT infrastructure. Work and productivity. Many companies have adopted remote work practices thanks to IT tools like Zoom, cloud storage, and project management software. Security. IT is crucial for ensuring the security of personal and business data, protecting it from cyber threats like hacking and viruses. Subfields of IT. IT is a broad field that encompasses many specializations, including network administration, managing and maintaining networks, and ensuring devices can communicate. Systems administration, managing and maintaining the infrastructure of computers and software. Cybersecurity, protecting data and networks from cyber threats. Database management, storing, retrieving, and managing large amounts of data. Cloud computing, using the internet to store, manage, and process data on remote servers, the cloud. Future trends in IT, artificial intelligence, AI. Machines learning to perform tasks that require human intelligence. Blockchain, securing data in a decentralized way, often used for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Internet of Things, IoT. Everyday objects becoming connected to the internet, such as smart appliances. 5G technology, faster and more reliable internet connections, transforming how we use IT.
Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to me. The next video will be released in 3 days, so please stay tuned. Let's learn together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.